Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your health and vitality? Discover the incredible benefits of vegetable juices that can transform your well-being, one sip at a time. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of vegetable juices. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these juices are not only refreshing but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, or simply add more nutrients to your diet, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we explore the top vegetable juices that can help you feel your best every day. Vegetable juices are a fantastic way to pack a variety of nutrients into a single glass. Let's take a closer look at some of the best vegetables to juice and their incredible health benefits. First up, we have carrots. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for healthy vision, immune function, and skin health. Carrot juice is also packed with antioxidants that help protect against free radical damage. Next, let's talk about beets. Beet juice is a powerhouse for heart health. It's high in nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Athletes often drink beet juice to enhance their performance and endurance. It's also great for detoxifying the liver and improving digestion. Spinach juice is another excellent choice. It's loaded with iron, magnesium, and vitamins A and C. This green juice can boost your energy levels, support bone health, and improve your skin. Spinach juice is especially beneficial for those who need a nutrient boost, such as pregnant women and individuals with anemia. Don't forget cucumbers. Cucumber juice is incredibly hydrating and refreshing. It's rich in silica, which promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Cucumber juice also helps flush out toxins and supports kidney function. Celery juice has gained popularity for its myriad health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is great for digestion. Drinking celery juice on an empty stomach can help balance your stomach acid and reduce bloating. And let's not overlook ginger. Adding a small piece of ginger to your vegetable juice can enhance its flavor and provide a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant boost. Ginger is excellent for digestion, reducing nausea, and boosting the immune system. So, who should drink these vegetable juices? Essentially, everyone can benefit from them. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your skin, or increase your energy levels, there's a juice for you. 1. Individuals looking to increase nutrient intake. 2. Athletes needing natural energy and recovery boosts. 3. People aiming to improve digestion and detoxification. 4. Those seeking to enhance skin, hair, and nail health. 5. Individuals managing blood pressure and heart health. Timing is also crucial when it comes to juicing. The best time to drink vegetable juices is in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively and kickstarts your metabolism for the day. Alternatively, you can enjoy your juice as a midday snack to keep your energy levels steady. 1. Morning on an empty stomach. 2. Midday as a healthy snack. Ready to start juicing? Grab your favorite veggies and get creative. Your body will thank you for the nutrient boost. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Cheers to your health.